welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to add push notification alerts to your mobile phones. Let us begin. Select Tools, then select Options. Or press and hold Ctrl then O, on the keyboard. Select Notifications, ensure Enable Push Notification is selected. Next we will be adding your MetaQuotes ID. Open MetaTrader 4 on your smartphone. Tap the three lines beside quotes at the top left corner of your device. Scroll to the bottom, select Settings under Messages. There you will see your MetaQuotes ID. Type it in your MetaTrader 4 on the PC, then press Test. You should receive an alert. Similar to this one. It is good to have alerts, especially with binary options. You can catch moves easily, as long as you see your confirmations. And always remember to manage risk. Not all trades will be a winner. Even with all the confirmations, the trade can still be a loss or draw. Here is a trade I just took, from the alert system. I got the notification to my phone. Saw my confirmation and went for a buy. The trade ended with break even. With practice, I will make better entries. Join my Telegram group with the link below. And remember to like, comment and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.